Hi, this is Coraline from Natural V is Your Favorite. Today, we are going to do a raw walnut and mushroom taco meat. All right. And it's almost time for my snack. And so this is what I wanted to have. All right. So, first of all, what we have is the organic raw walnuts. I let these soak overnight. All right. And so this is just 1 cup, and I'm going to put it in the food processor. Okay. Got that. And now these are organic white mushrooms, and this is just a whole pack. So I'm just going to put those in here too. Just want to make sure I don't spill anything. Sometimes I just like to have, a taco. And this taco, you can put it on lettuce, or you can even put it on your salad or whatever. Okay, so that's good. Now, what I have here is 1.5 teaspoon of that's cumin, and 3/4 teaspoon of coriander. So you can see that. All right, and I'm just going to dump all that in here like this. Okay, that's good. And a pinch of cayenne pepper. All right, and you can use as much as you want, as less as you want, and you don't have to even use any. All right, and a little bit of salt, not much, because I'm gonna, go back and kind of taste it and see if it's got enough salt there. And 2 teaspoons of coconut amino. So I'm gonna this one, and that's 2. All right. So now I'm going to pulse this. Okay, everything is done. Let's pulse it. Okay, I'm going to open this up and push everything down. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to give it one more pulse, and then we'll taste it to see if I need to add anything, any salt or anything to it. Okay, let's pulse it. Okay, there we go. Put a bit on that. That is good. Perfect. All right. And so what I have here, I have some romaine lettuce. Let me move these out the way so you can see. Like I said, it's my snack. And some salsa. All right. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Got a piece of lettuce here. Put some of this on top of the lettuce. Like I said, I love everything raw. And, it's more nutritious. All the nutrients are still good. Okay, let me get another spoon for the salsa. And you just put, you can put as much as you want on it. And also you can add some avocado. I'm just going to do that right now. Like I said, this is a snack for me. All right, here go. We're going to try this. All right, let's go. Mm. Mm. That is so good. Mm. This is delicious. What I'm going to do, I'm going to save this and eat it, finish eating it later. But I want to show you what this looks like inside. And this was a simple recipe, very simple. I'm going to come up a little close and let you see what it looks like. See that? Nice and chunky. All right. So, I hope you try this and make sure that you subscribe and like and put your comments in the comment section below. Let me know if you tried it, if you had to add more to it, if you added avocado, whatever. But like I said, this is a awesome snack to have. So I just hope you continue to like and subscribe, and I will be coming forth with other videos. All right. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.